The thing that most surprised me about this igloo here is the sound insulation that it gives. So I will play a music here. This is how you can hear it from the inside. Alright, I will leave the phone here and I will go outside. So again, this is how you hear it. Let's get outside. So I am outside and I can barely hear it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go slowly and quietly inside so you guys can see the difference. Alright, so again, this is from the outside. And this is from the inside. Hello everyone guys, this is Rad and welcome back to this brand new vlog. So today I woke up this morning and saw all of this snow outside and I said, wait, I can't stay here and do nothing with all of this snow here. So what I said, I have decided, let's make an igloo. Let's make a freaking igloo with all of the snow that we have outside. This is gonna be really exciting, so sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Oh, you're here? Yeah, let's go guys, come on. Okay guys, let me tell you something. At the moment that I'm recording this exact clip of the video, the igloo is actually already finished. This is because I have made it yesterday, but you know, I love the magic of editing, where I can basically show you stuff that is already done and pretend that I still have to do it. But anyways, yeah, let's go in the backyard, or actually this is a garden where my grandpa, he plants all of the stuff. Now there's nothing here, and yeah, this is our igloo. So you actually have to see how we have built it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the magic of editing and I'm gonna go back in time to yesterday. So alright, so what I'm doing right now, look at that, we are building an igloo. We will have to work quite a bit, but look at that. I'm really curious to see how it's built. So yeah, let's get inside it. Yeah, at the moment it's really small. Making this space bigger a bit. Oh my god, it's so compressed, the snow here. It's almost like ice. But this is so exciting. I have never had the occasion to build an igloo in real life, just like this, and I freaking love it. As you know guys, I love building stuff. I have built a raft in Greece and stayed the Greek Sea, and building an igloo here in Romania is one of those other really cool experiences in life. Alright guys, check this out. So it's almost completed. We still want to expand it a bit. We just need to pay attention not to go outside, you know. But from what you can see guys, it looks cool. I mean, here can fit 3 persons, can even sleep inside here. And I want to try to sleep like for 1 hour, but not during the night because there are minus 15 degrees during the night. Probably during the day when we have about -4 or -6 or something like this. But yes, you can see that I can even stand on my knees and I can fit, and also we are gonna expand it a bit more up here. Then what I want to do, I want to set some wood on fire inside here. So basically this layer here melts and then the cold will basically freeze it again and a whole layer of ice forms. We already did it before and it was really difficult to scratch the ice layer from the walls. But anyways, yeah, this igloo here is freaking awesome. Anyways, I really hope that you guys like it. If you do, please don't forget to drop a like under the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more constructive stuff like this, because I really love building new stuff. So I'll see you all guys later when the whole thing is actually really completed. I freaking enjoy staying here, I have to say it. Oh, hi guys. Yes, probably this candle here doesn't produce enough light, so you guys can see my face. But anyways, this is my little igloo. This is my little creation, and this is the end of it. Like, the whole project is finally finished. So yeah, this is the whole project. I mean, it is really comfy in here. I could even sleep here. Look at that. Look at the leg space that I have here. I have a little candle here. Of course, this doesn't produce enough heat to warm myself in this room here. But yeah, at the current temperature, there are probably -5 degrees right now or something like this. Today the consistency of the snow was a bit more different, and it was actually more difficult for me to work this out because it was really sticky due to the temperature that have risen a bit compared to the other days. A couple of days ago we had the temperature went down to -20 degrees Celsius, and it was actually easier to work with that kind of snow which was frozen instead of this kind of snow which is sticky. But yeah, so the whole project is finished. I am really happy about the result. I mean, I have never done something like this before, and for those of you guys who are new on this channel, you should know that I love building stuff. I have actually built a raft and sailed the Greek Sea with it in Greece, of course. So if you guys are interested to watch the video, I will leave a card appearing on this side of the screen here. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little project of mine. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you guys. I was lucky enough to have enough snow to build this guy here, this really big igloo. Again, as I said before, this is not one of those original igloo designs, because original igloos, they are made out of blocks of compressed ice or snow, and with the snow that we had, it wasn't compressed. You need to have at least 1.5 meters of snow to have it compressed at the bottom, and it wasn't possible to make any glue. Actually, I think that it was possible, but it would have needed probably days of work, a lot more, like 10 times the work that I put in this igloo here. Anyways, yeah, we got something similar. I mean, look at that. Yeah, pretty spacious. A couple of people can fit in here, and yeah, I could even sleep here, but of course I'm not gonna do it because it is really dangerous. I mean, if the temperatures are really low, you could die when you sleep because your body is not moving and therefore is not generating heat. So yeah, never do that. And yeah, but I wanted to try like to sleep half an hour during the day or something like this. I will probably do it tomorrow, since the temperature is finally going to be probably +1 or 0 degrees or something like this during the day. Anyways, thank you all guys for watching this video and this awesome project until the end. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, building stuff with Red. And that was my awesome little vlog here in Romania with the igloo. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did so, don't forget to drop a video. What am I saying? Don't forget to drop a like under it and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And also don't forget to share this with your friends which might enjoy this kind of content. And I'll see you all guys in my next video. See you. Bye.